Hello everyone! Hi there! Welcome back to our English class. I am your English teacher. My name is Teacher Mai. It's nice to see you again, everyone. So today we are going to have fun together with our program with ENOZ and Junior Grounds. Alright students, and before we get started, teacher have one more song for you, and this song is called Hello Song. Students, do you know how to sing and dance with Hello Song?
Yes!
If you say yes, please stand up. We are going to sing and dance with Hello Song. Alright students, don't forget to stand up like this. Let's turn around.
And shout, yeah! Let's turn around and shout, yeah! It's time to have fun. Let's have a good day.
Let's do it again one more time.
To say hello, hi, hello, say hello to your friends, to your teachers. Come and play together, ENOZ kids. We can sing and dance. We can jump up high. Move your body in, move your body out. Move your body like this.
And shake your body.
Let's
turn around.
And shout, yeah!
Turn around again.
And shout, yeah! It's time to have fun. Let's have a good day.
Good job everyone. You are a good singers and good dancers. Alright students, let's move to our program. And before we start, teacher have some questions to ask all of you. Alright students, let's start with our first question. And my question is, student, how are you? How are you, student? How do you feel? Today, are you sad? Are you sad?
No, teacher.
Wow, excellent. You say no. If you are not sad, or are you angry? Are you angry?
No, I'm not.
Wow, very nice. If you are not sad, if you are not angry, how about this one? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yes.
Very nice. If you say yes, student, repeat after me. I am happy. Your turn.
I am happy.
Let's do it again one more time. And this time you have to act like this when you say I am happy. Alright, repeat after me. I am happy. Your turn.
I am happy.
Excellent. Alright, and next question that teacher wants to know. Student, how's the weather? How's the weather today? Let's look at the window. Let's look at the outside. How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Sunny. Is it sunny?
No, teacher.
Oh, you say no. Excellent. If it's not sunny, how about this one? Is it rainy? Rainy. Is this rainy?
No, it's not.
Oh, no, it's not. Very good. If it's not sunny, if it's not rainy, how about this one? Is this cloudy? Cloudy. Is this cloudy?
Yes, it is.
Very nice. Today is cloudy. Alright, student, repeat after me. It's cloudy. Your turn.
It's cloudy.
Very good. Alright, student, let's move to the next part. And this part we are going to learn our title. And this title is How is the weather? How is the weather? Student, do you remember what is inside the title? Do you remember what is inside the title?
The title talking about the weather.
Excellent! The title is talking about the weather. And then we will learn about the season too. Alright, student, let's start with our first part. And this part we are going to watch our story. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
You have to watch our story with 2 times. And after that, we are going to learn how to read our story. So, let's move to our story with preview. Student, pay attention.
Is it cloudy there?
Take a look.
Spring is here. Do you like spring?
How's the weather? It is sunny.
It is sunny.
Mom, I like rainy days.
She like rainy days. And then let's watch our story one more time. Look at Tomo.
Is it cloudy there?
Is this cloudy there?
Spring is here.
But spring is here.
Do you like spring?
Do you like spring?
How's the weather?
Oh, how's the
It
weather?
is sunny.
It is sunny.
Mom, I like rainy days.
Alright, now is the end of our story. But we are still at the Netherlands, student. Today they are living in the park. And then student, this is your turn. We are going to read our story. Are you ready?
Yes.
If you say yes, let's move to the next part. This is our title. How is the weather? How is the weather? Student, repeat after me. How is the weather? Your turn.
How is the weather?
Excellent. And then this is our part. Let's learn new expressions. So student, this time you have to listen carefully, and after that you have to repeat after me. Let's start with the first sentence. And this sentence is listen carefully. Look at Tomo, and then he say,
Is it cloudy there?
let's listen it one more time.
Is it cloudy there?
Repeat after me. Is it cloudy there? Your turn.
Is it cloudy there?
Very good. And then let's move to this boy and this girl. And then this boy, he say,
Spring is here.
let's listen it one more time.
Spring is here.
So student, repeat after me. Spring is here. Your turn.
Spring is here.
Very nice. And then let's move to this girl. And then she say,
Do you like spring?
let's listen it one more time.
Do you like spring?
Repeat after me. Do you like spring? Your turn.
Do you like spring?
And this question we will use to ask about season. And then we have 4 seasons in the world. Do you remember?
Yes, I can.
Very good. So student, let's move to the next question and next sentence. This sentence, listen carefully.
How's the weather?
Oh, listen it one more time.
How's the weather?
Repeat after me. How's the weather? Your turn.
How's the weather?
And then this boy, he answered this question is, listen carefully.
It is sunny.
Oh, listen it one more time.
It is sunny.
Repeat after me. It is sunny. Your turn.
It is sunny.
Very nice. And then let's move to the next page. So student, look at little girl and her mom. And this little girl, she say,
Mom, I like rainy days.
listen it carefully.
Mom, I like rainy days.
Repeat after me. Mom, I like rainy days. Your turn.
Mom, I like rainy days.
Good job, student. Alright, student, let's move to the next part. And this part we are going to learn vocabulary, parts of vocabulary. The first time you have to listen our new word from our story. Student, are you ready?
Yes.
So listen this carefully and pay attention.
Cloudy.
Take a look. Then,
There.
there,
Spring.
spring,
Here.
here,
Like.
like,
Weather.
weather,
Sunny.
sunny,
Rainy.
rainy. Alright student, let's move to the next part, and this part we are going to listen our new word and our new sentence. And then student, you have to repeat after me. Alright, let's start with the first word, and the first word is, listen carefully.
Cloudy.
Repeat after me. Cloudy. Your turn.
Cloudy.
And then our sentence.
Is it cloudy there?
Listen it one more time.
Is it cloudy there?
Repeat after me. Is it cloudy there? Your turn.
Is it cloudy there?
Very good. Look at the picture. You will see a lot of cloud in the sky. So we can call this weather is cloudy. Cloudy. Alright, let's move to the next vocabulary. And this vocabulary is, listen carefully.
There.
Listen it one more time.
There.
Then repeat after me. There. Your turn.
There.
And then let's move to our sentence.
Is it cloudy there?
Let's listen it one more time.
Is it cloudy there?
Repeat after me. Is it cloudy there? Your turn.
Is it cloudy there?
Very nice. Oh, look at this. Look at our picture. And then she point her finger to over there. Is there. There. It means so far. Is there. Alright, let's move to the next word. Look at the picture and then let's listen it carefully.
Spring,
Let's listen it one more time.
spring,
Repeat after me. Spring. Your turn.
Spring.
And then let's move to our sentence. And this sentence is...
spring is here.
Let's listen it one more time.
Spring is here.
And then repeat after me. Spring is here. Your turn.
Spring is here.
Student, do you know what type of the spring? Is it weather or is it seasons?
Spring is season.
Very good. Spring is mean the season. We have 4 seasons in the world. And in this spring, you will see a lot of flowers in these seasons. Alright, let's move to the next vocabulary. Look at the picture and then listen it carefully.
Here,
Listen it one more time.
here,
So, repeat after me. Here, your turn.
Here.
And then let's move to our sentence.
spring is here.
Let's listen it one more time.
Spring is here.
Repeat after me. Spring is here. Your turn.
Spring is here.
Oh, student, let's look at our picture. And this picture is here, here. And then let's move to the next word. And then let's listen it carefully. This vocabulary is...
Like,
Listen it one more time.
like,
Repeat after me. Like. Your turn.
Like.
Let's listen it one more time and then repeat after me.
like,
Like. Your turn.
Like.
Very good. And then let's move to the next. Let's move to our sentence. And this sentence is...
do you like spring?
Listen it one more time.
Do you like spring?
Repeat after me. Do you like spring? Your turn.
Do you like spring?
Very nice. And then let's move to the next vocabulary. And this vocabulary is listen carefully.
Weather,
Listen it one more time.
weather,
Repeat after me. Weather. Your turn.
Weather.
And then let's move to our sentence. And this sentence is...
How's the weather?
Listen it one more time.
How's the weather?
Repeat after me. How's the weather? Your turn.
How's the weather?
Very good. So student, let's move to the next picture. And what do you see?
The sky and the sun.
Very good. You will see the sky and the sun. So this word is listen carefully.
sunny,
Oh, listen it one more time.
sunny,
This word is sunny. Sunny. Student, repeat after me. Sunny. Your turn.
Sunny.
Very nice. And then let's move to our sentence. And this sentence is...
It is sunny.
Repeat after me. It is sunny. Your turn.
It is sunny.
Very good. And then let's move to the last vocabulary. And this vocabulary is... Listen carefully.
rainy,
Listen it one more time.
rainy,
Repeat after me. Rainy. Your turn.
Rainy.
And then let's move to our sentence. And this sentence is...
Mom, I like rainy days.
Listen it one more time and then repeat after me.
Mom, I like rainy days.
Repeat after me. Mom, I like rainy days. Your turn.
Mom, I like rainy days.
Very good. And then student, let's move to the next part.
Cloudy.
And this part we are going to listen and then check the correct picture. So student, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Please listen it carefully. This picture is
Cloudy.
this one. You have to find out the picture of cloudy. Student, please help me to find out which one is the correct one. With the words cloudy, it would be picture number 1 or it would be picture number 2.
Picture number 1.
Picture number 1, are you sure?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, let's find out together. That's it.
There.
And then let's move to the next word. And this word is listen carefully.
There.
There. Student, please help me to find out of picture there. Which one is the correct one? It would be picture number 1 or it would be picture number 2.
The picture number 2.
The picture number 2. Alright, let's check it out together. Correct.
Spring.
And then let's move to the next picture. And this picture is listen carefully.
Spring.
Spring. Student, please help me to find out the picture of spring. It would be picture number 1 or it would be picture number 2.
Picture number 1.
Picture number 1. Alright, let's check it out together. Very good.
Here.
And then let's move to the next picture. And this picture is, listen it carefully.
Here.
This picture is here. Student, please help me to find out the picture of here. Is the first picture or the second picture?
The second picture.
Are you sure?
Yes.
If you say yes, let's find out together. Here is second picture. That's correct.
Like.
And then let's listen it carefully with the next picture.
Like.
This picture is like. Student, which one is the picture of like? The first picture or the second picture?
The first picture.
The first picture? Alright, let's find out together. Very good.
Weather.
And then let's move to the next picture. And this picture is, listen it carefully.
Weather.
This picture is weather. Student, please help me to find out the picture of weather. It would be picture number 1 or it would be picture number 2.
Picture number 1.
Picture number 1, are you sure?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, if you say yes, let's find out together with picture number 1. That's it.
Sunny.
And then let's move to the next picture. And this picture is, listen.
Sunny.
This picture is sunny. Student, please help me to find out the picture of sunny. It would be picture number 1 or it would be picture number 2.
The picture number 1.
The picture number 1. Alright, let's check it out together. Very good.
Rainy.
And then let's move to the last picture. And this picture is, listen carefully.
Rainy.
Student, which one is the picture of rainy? The first picture or the second picture?
The second picture.
The second picture, are you sure?
Yes.
If you say yes, let's find out together with The second picture. That's it.
Cloudy.
Alright, student. We are finished with part of vocabulary. And then let's move to the next part. And this part we are going to practice with our dialogue again. So, are you ready?
Yes.
And then let's move to part of dialogue. Students, take a look. This is part of dialogue. And this part you have to listen our dialogue. And then let's move to listen our dialogue. Please listen this carefully and pay attention.
Is it cloudy there?
Then
Spring is here. Do you like spring?
and then
How's the weather? It is sunny.
Mom, I like rainy days.
alright student, let's listen it one more time.
Is it cloudy there?
Spring is here. Do you like spring?
How's the weather? It is sunny.
Mom, I like rainy days.
Alright student, this is your turn. You have to listen our sentence section by sections. And after that, you have to repeat after me. Are you ready?
Yes.
If you say yes, let's start with the first sentence. This sentence is listen carefully.
Is it cloudy there?
Listen it one more time.
Is it cloudy there?
Repeat after me. Is it cloudy there? Your turn.
Is it cloudy there?
Very nice. And then let's move to the next sentence. And this sentence is listen.
Spring is here.
Listen it one more time.
Spring is here.
And then repeat after me. Spring is here. Your turn.
Spring is here.
Very good. Alright, let's move to the next sentence. And this sentence is listen.
Do you like spring?
Listen it one more time. This sentence is
Do you like spring?
alright, repeat after me. Do you like spring? Your turn.
Do you like spring?
Very good. Then let's move to this sentence. And this sentence is listen carefully.
How's the weather?
Sorry.
How's the weather?
Listen it one more time.
How's the weather?
Repeat after me. How's the weather? Your turn.
How's the weather?
And then let's move to this sentence. And this sentence is
It is sunny.
listen it one more time.
It is sunny.
And then repeat after me. It is sunny. Sorry. It is sunny. Your turn.
It is sunny.
Very nice. And then let's move to the last sentence. And this sentence is
Mom, I like rainy days.
listen it one more time.
Mom, I like rainy days.
And then say with me. Mom, I like rainy days. Your turn.
Mom, I like rainy days.
Good job, everyone. Alright, students, we are finished with part of dialogue. And then let's move to the next part. Oh, take a look. We are still with part of dialogue. But this part you have to listen our sentence and then write down the sentence to fill in the blank. Alright, students, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
So let's start with the first one. This is Tomo. And Tomo say,
Is it cloudy there?
is it cloudy there? Is it cloudy there? Student, please help me to fill in the blank to complete our sentence. And let's start with this one. So student, this sentence is it cloudy there? Is it cloudy there? We start with is. Is begin with
Letter I.
when you beginning of the sentence it would be big letter or small letter.
Big letter.
Good job. When you are beginning of our sentence, it would be the big letter. And this one is big I. Coming up next with letter
Letter H.
letter S. Good job. Don't forget to spell. And then the word it. It begin with letter
Letter I.
letter I. Coming up next with letter
Letter T.
letter T. This word is it. And then don't forget to spell again. Now we got it is it already. And then cloudy. How about the word cloudy? The word cloudy is begin with
Letter C.
letter C. Coming up next with letter
L.
L. Coming up next with
Letter O.
O. Coming up next with letter
U.
U. Coming up next with letter
D.
D. And the last letter of cloudy is
Letter Y.
letter Y. Good job. And then don't forget to spell. Now we got is it cloudy. How about the word there? The word there is begin with
Letter T.
T. Good job. And coming up next with letter
Letter H.
H. Coming up next with
Letter E.
E. And then coming up next with letter
R.
R. And the last letter of the word there is
Letter E.
letter E. And this one, this is the question. Don't forget to write down the question mark too. This one. Now we got this sentence. Is this cloudy then? Student, look at our sentence. Is this correct?
Yes, it's correct.
Good job. Alright, let's move to the next sentence. And this sentence is listen carefully.
Spring is here.
Listen it one more time.
Spring is here.
This sentence is spring is here. Spring is here. Please help me to write down the sentence spring is here. Student, do you remember how to spell the word spring? Spring. The word spring is begin with
Letter H.
big S or small s.
Big S.
Good job with big S. Spring. Coming up next with
Letter P.
letter P. Coming up next with letter
R.
R. Coming up next with letter
I.
I. Coming up next with letter
N.
N. Coming up next with
Letter G.
letter G. Alright, now we got this word spring, and then is here. Spring is here. Don't forget to space. And coming up next with the word is. The word is begin with letter
I.
letter I. Coming up next with letter
Letter H.
letter S. Good job. Don't forget to spell again. How about the word here? Here. Do you remember how to spell the word here?
Yes, I do.
Very good. And then please help me. The word here is begin with letter
Letter H.
H. Coming up next with letter
E.
E. Coming up next with letter
Letter R.
R. Coming up next with
Letter E.
letter E again. So this one we got to fill in the blanks already. Don't forget to write down full stop. And then let's move to the next sentence. This sentence is listen carefully.
Do you like spring?
She say, do you like spring? Do you like spring? Let's listen it one more time.
Do you like spring?
Do you like spring? Alright, student, please help me to write down this sentence. Do you like spring? Let's start with the first word with do. The word do is begin with letter
Big D.
Very good, big D, because we have to write down the big letter when we beginning of sentence. And coming up next with letter
Letter O.
Letter O. Don't forget to space. Now we got the word you. And then how about the word you? You. You is begin with letter
Letter Y.
Letter Y. Coming up next with letter
Letter O.
O. And the last letter of the word you is
Letter U.
letter U. Good job. Don't forget to space again. Now we got the words do you. Coming up next with like. Like is begin with letter
Letter L.
Letter L. Coming up next with letter
I.
Coming up next with letter
Letter K.
K. And the last letter of the word like is
Letter E.
E. Good job. Now we got do you like and then spring. Do you remember how to write the word spring?
Yes, I do.
So please help me to spell the word spring. Spring is begin with letter
Letter H.
S. Coming up next with letter
Letter P.
P. Coming up next with letter
R.
R. Coming up next with letter
I.
I. And then
Letter N.
letter N. And the last letter of the word spring is
Letter G.
G. And this one is the question. Don't forget to write question mark. Now we got our sentence. Do you like spring? Good job, everyone. And then let's move to the next sentence. And this sentence is listen carefully.
How's the weather?
Oh, he asked the question. Listen it carefully.
How's the weather?
How's the weather? How's the weather? Alright, students, please help me to write down the sentence. How's the weather? Let's start with the first word, how. How is begin with letter
Big H.
big H. Good job, big H. Coming up next with letter
Letter O.
O. Coming up next with letter
Letter W.
W. Now we got the word how. And don't forget to write down apostrophe. And then letter S for house, or it means how is, but we use how and apostrophe and S. And then the word the. Let's begin with letter
It's begin with letter T.
letter T. Good job. Coming up next with letter
Letter H.
letter H. And the last letter of the word the is
Letter E.
letter E. Very nice. Now we got house, the, and then this word weather. Do you remember how to spell the word weather?
Yes.
If you say yes, please help me to spell the word weather. Weather is begin with letter
W.
W. Coming up next with letter
Letter E.
E. Coming up next with letter
Letter A.
A. And then
Letter T.
T. Coming up next with
Letter H.
H. And then two letter left.
Letter E and letter R.
Good job, letter E and letter R. Don't forget to write down question mark for this question. And this sentence is how's the weather? Good job, everyone. And then let's move to the next sentence. And this sentence is listen carefully.
It is sunny.
It is sunny. It is sunny. Alright, student. Let's help me to fill in the blank with sentence. It is sunny. It is sunny. Let's start with the first word with it. It. The word it is begin with letter
Big I.
big I. Good job. Coming up next with letter
Letter T.
letter T. Don't forget to space and then let's help me to spell the word is. Is begin with letter
Letter I.
Coming up next with letter
Letter H.
S. Now we got the word it is and then sunny. The word sunny is begin with letter
Letter S.
letter S. Coming up next with letter
Letter U.
letter U. Coming up next with letter
Double N.
double N. Good job. And then the last letter of sunny is
Letter Y.
letter Y. And don't forget to write down full stop. And then let's move to the last sentence. And this sentence is listen carefully.
Mom, I like rainy days.
This sentence is Mom, I like rainy days. Student, please help me to write down the word mom. Mom is begin with letter
Big M.
big M. Good job. Coming up next with
Letter O.
O. And the last letter of the word mom is
Letter M.
letter M. Don't forget to lifestyle, comma. Don't forget to space. And then I like rainy day. I like rainy day. The word I is begin with letter
Big I.
big I, but it have only one letter for this word I. And don't forget to spell again. And then like. The word like is begin with letter
Letter L.
letter L. Coming up next with letter
I.
Coming up next with letter
Letter K.
letter K. Coming up next with letter
Letter E.
E. So now we got this word like. Don't forget to spell. And then the word rainy. Rainy is begin with letter
Letter R.
letter R. Coming up next with letter
A.
Coming up next with letter
Letter I.
And then
Letter N.
N. How many N's?
Just only one N.
Good job. We have only one N for rainy. And then the last letter of the word rainy is
Letter Y.
letter Y. Good job. Don't forget to spell. And then we have only one word left with days. Student, please help me to write down the word days. Day is begin with letter
Letter D.
D. And then
Letter A.
A. Coming up next with
Letter Y.
Y. And the last letter of days.
Letter S.
S. Good job. Don't forget to write down full stop. Now we got this sentence. Mom, I like rainy days. Good job, everyone. Alright, student. We are finished with part of dialogue. And then let's move to the next part. And this part we are going to do our exercise. Please bring your exercise or your worksheets beside you. Or maybe you can use the workbook. And this workbook, please, if you have the workbook, please open your workbook on page 14 and 15. It looks like this. But if you don't have the workbook, you can use the worksheets. So students, please bring your pencil or maybe you can use your crayon to do our exercise. And students, don't forget to write down your class and your name. It looks like this. Teacher will write. If you are in class 2 and your room is /4, you have to write down like this. And then don't forget to write your names. For example, I will write my name. It looks like this. Alright, students, and then let's move to our exercise. This part we call expression practice with part A, read and match. Read and match. Alright, students, let's start with number 1. Look at the paragraph of this girl. And this girl, number 1, we have do you. And then number 2, it is, or. And then number 3 is how is. And then number 4, I like. And then student, let's look at the boy. This paragraph of the boy. And the boy, he have A. A is the weather. And then B. B is rainy days. And then let's move to C. C is like spring. And then let's move to part D. D is cloudy there. So student, we are going to complete our sentence. Let's start with number 1. Number 1, we have do you. Student, can you match to complete our sentence? Let's start with do you A. Do you the weather? Is this correct?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. How about do you rainy day? Is this correct?
No again.
Oh no, again. How about do you see like spring? Do you like spring?
Yes, it's correct.
If you say yes, don't forget to connect the line dot to dot like this. This dot connect to C. Do you like spring? Alright student, are you finished?
Yes.
If you say yes, please repeat after me. Do you like spring? Your turn.
Do you like spring?
Good job. And then let's move to number 2. And number 2 is it? It is with A. It is the weather. Is this correct?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. How about is it rainy days? Is it rainy day? Is this correct?
No, it's not.
No, it's not. How about is it cloudy there? Is this cloudy there? Is this correct?
Yes, it is.
If you say yes, don't forget to write down dot to D. Keep following. And then student, are you finished?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, repeat after me. Is it cloudy there? Your turn.
Is it cloudy there?
Very good. And then let's move to number 3. Number 3 is how is. Oh, which one is the correct one? How about A? How is the weather? Or B, how is rainy days? Which one is the correct one? A or B?
A.
If you say A, that's it. Don't forget to connect the line dot to A. And then we can read this sentence is how is the weather? Student, repeat after me. How is the weather? Your turn.
How is the weather?
Very nice. Alright, let's move to the next one. And the next one is number 4. And number 4 we have I like. So student, which one is can man? This sentence I like. Oh, we have only one left with B. B is rainy day. I like rainy day. Is this correct?
Yes, teacher, it's correct.
Good job. If you say yeah, don't forget to write down dot to. Oh, sorry. Teacher, don't change. Forget to change this color. This one. Now we got I like rainy day. Don't forget to write down dot to letter B. Alright student, are you finished?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, repeat after me. This sentence is I like rainy days. Your turn.
I like rainy days.
Good job, everyone. All right, we are finished with part of A. Let's move to the next part. Oh, sorry. And then let's move to part B. And part B, you have to do with complete the dialogue. Complete the dialogue. Alright, students, look at number one. Number one, you have to fill in the blank with blank. And then look at our answer. And this answer is, it is sunny. It is sunny. What is the question to answer with it is sunny? It would be, is this cloudy there? Is this correct?
No,
Oh,
teacher.
no, it's not. How about, how's the weather? How's the weather? Is this correct?
Yes.
If you say yes, please help me to write down the sentence, how's the weather? Let's start with the word how. How. The word how is begin with letter
Big H.
Big H. Good job. Big H. Coming up next with letter
Letter O.
Letter O. Coming up next with letter
W.
W. Now we got the word how. And then we have to write down apostrophe and S. It means how is, but we have to write the short one. And then how's the coming up next? The is begin with letter
Letter T.
T. Good job. Coming up next with letter
Letter H.
H. Coming up next with letter
Letter E.
E. Now we got the word is house. The coming up next with the word weather. The word weather is begin with letter
W.
W. Very nice. And coming up next with letter
E.
E. Coming up next with letter
Letter A.
Letter A. Coming up next with letter
Letter T.
Letter T. Coming up next with letter
Letter H.
Letter H. Coming up next with letter
Letter E.
Letter E. Coming up next with letter
Letter R.
Letter R. Very good. Now we got the word weather. Alright, student, are you finished with number one?
Yes, I am.
If you say yes, good job. And then let's move to number two. And number two, look at this sentence. And this girl, she say, spring is here. Spring is here. How about the question with this girl? What did she say? It would be how's the weather? How's the weather again?
No, teacher.
No, spring, this spring, when you talk about spring, we are going to talk about season. So, maybe this question is talking about season. And then you can ask this question is, do you like spring? Do you like spring? Student, please help me to write down the sentence, do you like spring? Let's start with the word do. Do is begin with letter
Big D.
Big D. Very nice. Big D. Coming up next with
Letter O.
letter O. Don't forget to spell it because we got the word do already. And then you. The word you is begin with letter
Letter Y.
letter Y. Coming up next with letter
Letter O.
O. Coming up next with letter
Letter U.
Letter U. Now we got the word do you and then like is begin with letter
Letter L.
L. Good job. And then let's Coming up next with letter
Letter I.
I. Coming up next with letter
Letter K.
K. And the last letter of the word like is
Letter E.
E. Now we got the sentence is do you like? How about spring? Spring. The word spring is begin with letter
Letter H.
A. Coming up next with letter
P.
P. Coming up next with letter
Letter R.
R. And then
Letter I.
I. Coming up next with letter
Letter N.
N. And the last letter of the word spring is
Letter G.
letter G. Good job. Now we got the sentence. Do you like spring? And then let's move to number 3. And number 3 is blank there. Blank there. But the answer is no. Is it cloudy here? No, it is cloudy here. So, student, what is the question? It would be, is this cloudy there? Is this cloudy there? Is this correct?
Yes, teacher, it's correct.
If you say yes, please help me to write down this sentence. It is begin with letter
Big I.
Big I. Very nice. Big I. Coming up next with letter
H.
A. Now we got the word it is. And then let's move to the next word. The next word is it. It is begin with letter
Letter I.
letter I. Coming up next with letter
Letter T.
T. And then let's move to the next word. The next word is cloudy. Cloudy. The word cloudy is begin with letter
Letter C.
letter C. Coming up next with letter
Letter L.
L. Coming up next with letter
O.
O. Coming up next with letter
Letter U.
U. Coming up next with letter
Letter D.
D. And the last letter of cloudy is
Letter Y.
letter Y. Now we got this sentence. Is this cloudy there? Is this cloudy there? Alright, student, are you finished?
Yes, I am.
If you say yes, let's move to the next part. And this part we call part C. Part C is unscheduled. Unscheduled. You have to fill in the blank to complete this sentence. And let's start with number 1. Number 1, we have the first word is how. How. And then let's move to the word choice. And the word choice is the weather. The weather. How about this question is how is the weather? Is this correct?
Yes, it's correct.
If you say yes, please write down. Please rewrite the new word to complete our sentence. Let's start with is. Is we have letter I and then letter S. Now we got how is. How about the is begin with letter
Letter T.
T. Very nice. Coming up next with
Letter H.
H. And the last letter of the word the is
Letter E.
E. Now we got how is the. How about weather? Weather is begin with letter
W.
W. Coming up next with
Letter E.
E. Coming up next with
Letter A.
A. And then letter
T.
T. Next letter is
Letter H.
H. Coming up next with letter
Letter E.
E. And the last letter of the word weather is
Letter R.
R. Good job. Now we got this sentence is how is the weather? How is the weather? Alright, student, are you finished?
Yes.
If you say yes, let's move to number 2. And number 2, we have the word choice is sunny. it and is. Sunny, it and is. Student, please help me to complete our sentence. It would be sunny, it is, sunny, is it. Is this correct?
I don't think so.
Oh, you don't think so, but it's not correct. And how about it is sunny? It is sunny. Is this correct?
Yes, this one is correct.
Very good. If you say yes, please help me to write down this one. It. Let's start with it. You have to write big I with I and then T. Now we got the word it. Coming up next with the word it. It begin with letter
Letter I.
I. Good job. And then
Letter H.
letter S. Good job. And then let's move to the next word. And this word is sunny. Sunny. Sunny is begin with letter
Letter H.
S. Coming up next with letter
U.
U. And then
Double N.
double N is mean two N's. And the last letter of the word sunny is
Letter Y.
letter Y. Very good. Don't forget to write down full stop here. Student, are you finished with this sentence?
Yes, I am.
If you say yes, let's move to number 3. Number 3 is they give you with this one is do. And look at our word choice. And then look at the word choice. We have spring, and then you. And the last one is like. So student, it would be do spring you like. Is this correct?
No, it's
Oh
not.
no, it's not. How about do you like spring? Do you like spring? Is this correct?
Yes, it is.
If you say yes, please help me to write down this sentence. This sentence is do and then you. The word you is begin with letter Y. Coming up next with letter O. Coming up next with letter U. Now we got do you. And then next word is like. Like is begin with letter L. Coming up next with letter
Letter
I.
I.
And then
Letter K.
letter K. The last letter of this word like is
Letter E.
letter E. Now we got do you like. How about spring? Spring.
It begin with letter H.
Very good. It begin with letter S. Oh, sorry. This is spring. And then let's write down S. Coming up next with
Letter P.
P. Coming up next with letter
R.
R. Coming up next with letter
Letter I.
I. Coming up next with
Letter N.
N. And the last letter of the word spring is
Letter G.
G. Don't forget to write down question mark. Alright student, are you finished?
Yes.
Very good. Alright, let's move to the last part of our activity. Student, please help me to circle the correct word. Circle the correct word. Let's look at number 1. And number 1 we have I like days. I like blank day. It would be rain or rainy days.
Rainy days.
Rainy day. Good job. 1 or 2 with rainy day.
The word number 2.
The words number 2. Good job. Don't forget to circle them. And then repeat after me. I like rainy days. Your turn.
I like rainy days.
Good job. And then let's move to number 2. And number 2 is we have 2 word choice. Sun or sunny. Sunny day. I like Sunday or I like sunny days.
I like sunny days.
Good job, sunny day is number 2. Alright student, are you finished?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, let's move to number 3. And number 3 is I like hot days or I like hotty days. Which one is the correct one? Hot or hotty?
Hot.
Good job. This hot. Number 1. Repeat after me. I like hot days. Your turn.
I like hot days.
Good job. And then let's move to the last sentence of our activity with number 4. And number 4 is I like days. I like blank day. It would be I like cloud days or I like cloudy days. Cloud or cloudies.
Cloudy.
Cloudy. Very good with cloudy. Good job everyone. So now are you finished with this part?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, good job everyone. Oh, so today is time's up. Oh, teacher feels so sad. But that's okay. We have to see you again next time. Oops, sorry. Alright, and before we say goodbye, student teacher have one more song for you. And do you know what the song for you with the last time?
Skinamaringa.
Good job. This song is called Skidamaringa. Do you know how to sing and dance with this song?
Yes.
If you say yes, please stand up, stand up. We are going to sing and dance with this song. Don't forget to stand up again. Let's say I love you. And then say I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening underneath the moon. Let's say I love you. And then do it small heart. Do it big heart. Thank you for today everyone and see you again next time. Bye bye.